Welcome to the Tech for Everyone channel, and this is a quick update for those of you that have a iPhone and iPad. Apple actually has released more updates to iOS 13. The first version they actually sent out, 13.0, was very buggy, and they kind of acknowledged that it was buggy by actually sending out iOS 13.1 quickly, a week earlier than they actually wanted to. So it kind of shows that there was a lot of problems, and I actually have people around me that have iPhones that did have some issues that they were talking about. As for the updates, there's more updates. So you can now get 13.1.2. That is the latest update that was released this week. So we are today, Friday, October 4th, 2019. And these are not security fixes of any kind. They're really mostly bug fixes. And so that also shows that they're still tweaking the system and trying to rapidly, make sure that all the little bugs that were in there aren't actually showing up in the actual phones and iPads. So I think it's a good idea to check your updates. I get a lot of comments from people asking me what's that. They have updated to 13, like a week or two ago, and are already wondering why there's so many updates. And well, that's the thing, is there's a lot of little patches of bugs here, and it shows that Apple isn't in the same place it used to be. I mean, I don't think that before, when Steve Jobs was there would have been that release with all the bugs in there. So 13.1.2 is where you should be. If you have some problems, well, this could fix whatever problem you might have with the latest version of the operating systems, both on iPhones and iPads. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.